Fortnite. So Fortnite is a pretty famous building game. You might have heard about it. If you have not, you can just search for it and see what game it is. So let's say you want to play Fortnite. How you guys can do that? First step, you need an account. Now remember this, Fortnite doesn't have its actual account. So since Fortnite is developed by the company called Epic Games, which has also developed many more other games, you need to have the account of Epic Games and then you can play Fortnite. So let me show you guys how you guys can create Epic Games account. First step, you want to search for Epic Games account creation. After you search for Epic Games account creation, click on register for an Epic Games account. It's gonna take you to the Epic Games registering page. So once over here, you can choose whichever option you like: Apple, Steam, Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, Google account, Facebook account, or your email to create yourself account. So I'm gonna use my email to create myself account. So I click on it, and then over here I'm gonna choose my country. I'm gonna choose my first name over here, and then I'm gonna write my last name over here. Then I'm gonna choose a username for myself. Display name, I need to choose my email address, so I'm gonna enter my email address over here. After entering my email address, I need to enter the password of my account. After creating a password, I'm gonna tick both of this and click on continue. And on the next step, it's gonna send a verification code to my email. So I need to go to my email to verify myself. But before that, I need to complete this human verification process to verify I'm a human. As I said, a verification link is gonna be sent to your Gmail. So go to your Gmail and see the link, and on that link numbers is going to be given. So enter that number over here. After you enter the number in a correct way, you need to click on verify email. And once your email is verified, your Epic Games account should be created. And now you can download Epic Games Launcher in your PC and open that Epic Games Launcher, download Fortnite from over there and play Fortnite, alright?